I think 2 left side. Blue building. Fucking, I forgot.
Probably blue still. I'm not sure.
Building up.
Shot. That was the weirdest round I've played in a while. What was it there? It goes straight down mid. Middle. There's a lot of middle.
No way, man. Okay. Wow. Hit him.
On it, you will live.
Top charger.
What's your mark? Throwing smoke.
Thank you.
He was top charger. Nice. He's like, let me take a look at that.
Hmm?
Throwing smoke.
Close back.
Planting cluster mine.
In bottom church.
Middle shot.
Never mind. Not anymore. I think they rose their spawn.
Okay.
Took a round.
Dude. Oh. That's disappointing.
Passing smoke grenade.
Ah, these guys.
They close the middle building. And then the middle building.
Loading fresh mag. Throwing smoke.
Now, why would you throw it there?
Friendly cluster mine planted.
Ow.
10 seconds remaining. Standing by. Victory secure.
Shit.
Be ready to win again.
Recon flyover.
Copy.
Tossing
UAV
smoke
orbiting.
grenade.
Recon is online.
Trophy system activated. I'm with you.
Seconds left.
Ah, fuck. Back in our spawn.
Reloading.
It's like multiple of them using.
Target area.
Back in... No, that's our teammate. I don't know where he is.
Target, strike and
One was back in our spawn.